13, so you could call me Generation Rude. I can perform, I can act, I can turn the look, anything you want. She's a full package. I've been wearing makeup since I was 12. Oh, the 12-year-old beat, what? No. I swear it was grey for my bronzer, unless I got the ashes out of the fire and just popped down my face. It weren't it. Ashy. No. Drag was the next step. And here she is. Let's go. My drag is hot as beef. When I'm on stage, I'm gonna make sure that crowd is entertained, left feeling gagged, goofed, all the above. I'm putting on a show. I'm gonna stretch 5 minutes before I'm gonna go on stage, and I'm gonna make you think I'm gonna break a leg, because that's what I'm about, and I'm going to literally break my leg. Fully. Oh, bars! She's in a split. Oh, bars! Having a drink. Oh, bars! Energy! All about the energy. Oh my god, I am so here to take over the world. Drag is all about having no boundaries. In a world where there's so many rules, F the rules. I'm not leaving without a crown. I've come here to win and inspire the next generation.
You have to live it, you have to love it, you have to breathe it. Life's all about love and glamour. Let's get to it. Let's get glam.
Goes
Let's get